In this video, we are going to look at the problems on page 19 of the 6.1 slides. We're going to start with this problem saying that, asking us to use Venn diagrams to show that the complement of the intersection of A and B is equal to the union of the complement of A and the complement of B. So, the set of the complement of the intersection of A and B, it is the set of elements of U, but not in the complement of the intersection of, but not in the intersection of A and B. So let's look at the intersection of two sets A and B. Here are two sets A and B, and there is their intersection. Therefore, the complement of that is everything else. Or we might show it this way. Here is A, and here is B, and here is the complement of their intersection. Okay, well, now we want to show that this is equivalent to the union of the complements of each of the individual sets. So if we look at the complement of A, here's A, and here's B, then the complement of A is everything not in A, including its intersection with B. Here now is the complement of B. It is literally, sorry, I'm putting that the wrong way. There we go. Just forget about that bit that went actually through B. The complement of B is literally everything that is not in B, including its intersection with A. So the union of those complements is everything that is not in the intersection. In other words, it is the complement of the intersection of A and B. Moving on, in our next problem, we're given a bit more information. In a poll surveying 1,500 registered voters in California, the respondents were asked to rank the following companies on a scale of 0 to 10 in terms of how much they could trust these companies to keep their personal information secure, with 0 meaning they don't trust the company, and 10 obviously meaning 10 meaning they trust the company completely. Let A denote the set of companies that have a higher rating than 2.5, and B denote the set of companies that have a rating between 2.5 and 4, and let C denote the set of companies that have a rating lower than 3. Find the following sets. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to figure out exactly which companies are in these sets. So if I want to find the sets that have a rating higher than 2.5, that's our set A. That is going to be the set that includes Apple and Google, LinkedIn, and YouTube. The set of companies that have a rating between 2.5 and 4 is going to be the same set except without Apple. So that's going to be Google, LinkedIn, and YouTube. And that's set B. And then set C is going to be the set of companies that have a rating lower than 3, and that is YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter. So with that in mind, we want to find the sets A, B, and C. So we've already found A, B, and C. Now we want to find the union of A and B. So let's look at that on, sorry. Okay, so the union of A and B is just going to be everything that is in A and everything that is in B. But remember that everything that is in B is already in A. So that is really just set A, which is the set of Apple, Google, LinkedIn, and YouTube. We want to know the set B intersect C. That's everything that is in both sets B and C, and there is only one thing in sets B and C, and that is YouTube. We want to find the complement, the intersection of the complement of A and B. Okay, well, the complement of A is everything that is not in A, which is Facebook and Twitter. But none of those are in B either, so the complement of A and B is the empty set. Finally, we want to find the intersection of A and the complement of B, which is going to be everything that is in A and not in B, and that is just Apple. That is it for this video. If you have any questions, get in touch.